In this video, I'm going to show you how to drop a pin on Google Maps. It's very simple. What you can do here is go to your Google Maps app here, and I'm just going to tap on the screen. Really doesn't matter just for this example. So let's just go into here, Big Sam's Pizza. So what you can do is just tap on the screen. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you the address of wherever you drop the pin at, and you can obviously see it there. And what you can do here is actually go to this, and you can save the address and put it into your address book, your favorites list, anywhere that you want, so you can go back to it later or use that as a starting point between different types of locations. What you can do here is actually share the location as well. And so we can X out of here, and then you can just keep clicking around and keep dropping pins if you want to. There I dropped the pin, it gives you the address, and it gives you some of the same options if you want to share it, if you want to save it. Really, you can do anything that you want with the drop pin, and that is how you would drop a pin in Google Maps. It's very simple, very easy and simplistic, and I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.